This is page 3 of Unit 11, and it is the review. Factor, which means undistribute, and I'm going to take out a 2, I'm going to take out 1a, and I'm going to take out a b. That is what's common in all of them. It's the greatest common factor. When I take out a 2, that 2 disappears. I have 1a, that means I have 2 left. I have 1b, that's b squared. And then if I take out a 2ab, 10ab divided by 2ab is 5. The next one, I can take out a negative, I can take out a 6, I can take out an x, and I can take out both y squared. If I take out a negative 6 out of 30, I get 5. X squared, I have an x left over, and y squared is fine. If I take out a negative 6xy squared out of negative xy squared, I have a positive 2. Common factor in all of these is a 5, and there is also 1c. This one doesn't have an x, so I can't take out the x. This would be x squared plus 2cx minus 3c squared. The next one, I take out a 12. I take out an a, because there's an a there. I take out 2 b's, and I take out a c. 36 divided by 12 is 3. A squared a gives me 1a. B cubed b squared gives me 1b. C squared c gives me a c. Minus 4. There's the a. B squared, c squared. 60 divided by 12 is positive 5. A cubed a is a squared. B squared, cc, so it goes like that. Taking out a 7, 3, 3, 6, so I can take out 3. 4, 4, 3, I can take out into the third. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 6m's, 3m's, 3m's. 3 n's, 3 n's. And then I have, when I take out a 7, some of you may have noticed way up here that these were the terms that could be combined. I didn't notice until I factored. That's fine. Either way, we ended up at the same place. I'll pay attention to that now. See, now I'm looking. 11, x squared, x 6, means just an x. y4, y2, y, which is a y. z, z5, z3, just as a z. 33, x squared is x, y 3, z comes out. 55 divided by 11 is 5. 1x, 1x, y squared needs a y. Z to the 5th means z4, because I took 1 out. Plus 6, x to the 6th, there's an x, x to the 5th. Y came out, z cubed, z squared. What is the slope perpendicular and parallel to the following? So I need to get it in y-intercept. Negative 4y equals 16 minus 3x. Y equals negative 4 plus 3/4 x. Parallel is the same, so 3/4. Perpendicular is flip it over, make it negative, or change the sign, which is -4/3. If -4y is a solution, what is the value of y? So I'll have -4 minus 3y equals 5. Add 4. -3y equals 9. Y equals -3. And a lot of these units are going to have a lot of review questions from previous units that show up. We've seen review questions almost on every assignment. The length of a rectangle length is 2 more than twice its width. So I read it wrong, and that should be the length is just 2 more than the width. So length is 2 more than width. The perimeter is 36. So 2L plus 2W equals 36. Write a system of equation. We did. To find the length and the width. So we did. There's my, I just had to write. And we'll make that an L so they match with the L's. Casey has 7 less than David. Casey equals David. No, Casey has 7 left. So if you add 7 to him, together they have 97. How much money does Casey have? C plus 7 equals 97. 2C equals 90. I combined and I pulled. C equals 45. How much does Casey have? And we have Casey has $45. And that is page 3 of chapter 11 or unit 11 review.